Hey everyone, quick video to show what's in the DCB205-C. So this comes with two 5-amp batteries and a charger. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see exactly what's inside here. All right, so we got the box opened up and we'll first pull out the charger that's included. And it is a DCB1104 charger. 4-amp charger that you get with it, and that is the ending piece right there, so pretty good. Let's grab the batteries themselves. So there's our first battery right here, and there it is. So Dewalt 5-amp, and does it have the, yep, it has a battery checker on there. So out of the box, yeah, it needs some charge for sure, but pretty good. That's your top. It's a brand new battery, and we'll grab the cardboard out, and there's our other battery. And which charge does this have right here? Yep, also one, but yeah, pretty good. So you get the two batteries and you get the DCB1104. So pretty good package, pretty good price for this.